This video, I'm going to show you all how to correct an uneven cut with on your lawnmower. Sometimes it's the blade might be bad, and sometimes you might have low pressure in your tire. And you put your pressure in your tire and you change your blades and you still have an uneven cut. That's because the deck, this is the deck, is not adjusted right. And I'm gonna show you here. You see this? You see this gap right here? And then when you look at the one on the other side, there, you see there's not a gap. That side is higher than this side. And it's the same with this one. These are even. This is the front of the deck. It's even with that side. So I have to raise the back side of this deck. And to do that, I'm gonna put something on here to lift up the deck on here. Then I'm gonna take it off this hinge. And once I take it off the hinge, I'm gonna turn this till the gap gets smaller. And that's gonna raise up the back side of the deck. Then I'm gonna put it back on the hinge right there. Okay, let's do it. Twist this, raise the bottom of it, to twist this that way, so it'll go in. Can you see it right here? Might just do better taking this whole thing out for now, and then I'm gonna close it. So I'm just gonna take the whole part off. A lot easier. Okay, I'm gonna move this screw up, and I'm gonna move this screw down. That one is gonna, that nut is gonna go up, and that nut is gonna go down. I'm gonna do it off camera now. This one is the one that I'm gonna move up all the way to the top. I couldn't move this one easy, so I'm just gonna move this one all the way up to the top. And then put it back in spot. These are reverse threads also. So that is good. Now you can see that is raised up probably half an inch from what it was at first. I'm gonna make some cuts today. If it's still uneven, I'm gonna take this one here and I'm gonna lower it just a little. But I think what I just did would hold for today. Close it just a little bit more. Now I'm going to put the chain back on this hook up here. Here's that hook. It's a hook right there. I'm going to put that back up there and then show you all what the results going to look like. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this off camera again. Okay, I got it back on. And you can see here, the lower nut is closer to the base. So it raised this up, it looked like around half an inch. Well, probably 1/4 of an inch. Somewhere between them. I'm gonna look at the cuts today. If it's still low on this end, I'm gonna close this gap, but I think I have the deck even on this side. So I'm gonna put the belt back on, cut it, see what happens. If not, I'm gonna readjust it again. But that's how you change an uneven cut on your lawnmowers. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out any other videos that I might be posting. Thanks again.